let's go over the best ways to get the most out of your brand new Powerbeats Pro. How is it hanging, everyone? It is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and we've got our Powerbeats Pro. These use the same wireless tech as Apple's famed AirPods, so a lot of the stuff there applies to these, but they have their own set of customizations that you can do that's just a little bit different. So we're going to go ahead and walk you through all of the best ways to get the most out of your Powerbeats. And first up is that legendary pairing process. Simply opening the case, tapping connect, and having them automatically show across all of your iOS devices. Opening that case near your iOS device, your iPhone, your iPad, that card will appear on screen, giving the battery status. Remove one or both of the individual Powerbeat earbuds and you can see them individually and which one is charging. So I can see that the left earbud is charging, the right one is removed, and of course the case itself is not charging. It can be very handy to make sure that each earbud is actually receiving a charge. There are no tapping gestures on the Powerbeats Pro like there are on AirPods, but there are still a few things you can do. As long as these are connected, you can go into your Bluetooth menu and tap on that little eye. You can rename the Powerbeats to something that is more appropriate if you'd prefer to come up with your own name. You can forget this device in case you want to just remove it from all of your iCloud devices. You can turn on or off automatic ear detection, which is what automatically pauses your beats every time you take these out of your ears and resume them when they go in. And you can also let it know which microphone to use, always the left, always the right, or by default, automatically switch between the two of them. As we mentioned, this will automatically show on all of your iCloud connected devices, including your Apple Watch. Simply tap on that battery and you can see even your batteries here on your watch without having to get your phone out. You can see the left, the right, and the case. While we're mentioning it, you can also check out the battery status inside the battery widget over on your iOS device. To connect directly to your Apple Watch, simply head down to that AirPlay icon, tap on that, and connect directly there, which means you can take them with you on the go and you don't need your phone to stream audio. Similar abilities are available on the Mac as well. Open them up and you can see in this case we're testing with AirPods, but Powerbeats Pro will work the same way. Open them near your Mac, it'll appear on your list and you can effortlessly connect to them. Over on our Apple TV, we simply hold down that play button from the home screen and our audio chooser appears, where we can select on our AirPods or our Powerbeats Pro. This also works from swiping down from the top and moving to the right while playing back content. Apple has a unique feature for accessibility users called Live Listen. It can be enabled by going to Settings, Control Center, and turning on Hearing. With this on, you're able to use your phone and your Powerbeats Pro to listen to conversations, whether it's for something more nefarious such as eavesdropping, or if you simply have some problems hearing. Turn this on, go into Control Center, tap on that little ear icon, and turn Live Listen on. When it's on, you can see the audio level there on the right hand side. I make some noise near my iPhone and that increases. So I can put my iPhone in another room and get pretty far away and still hear it crystal clear coming in through my Powerbeat Pro. So it's pretty handy. This also works with AirPods, but it's nice to see it works with the Powerbeats Pro as well. If you wear your headphones constantly, you may not always want to pull out your phone whenever you need to take a phone call. Of course, with Powerbeats Pro, you can listen to one headphone at a time and you can take phone calls directly from your headset. But you may not know who's calling, especially if you don't have an Apple Watch. Going to Settings, then Phone, you can have it announce calls through headphones only. So whenever you have headphones on, you don't have to have your phone near you. You're working out and it'll automatically announce through the headphones who is calling you. Other things you may not know is these can be paired with other non-iOS devices by holding the little button on the inside until it flashes white, connecting through the Bluetooth settings. You can also invoke Siri, saying those magical keywords completely hands-free. These are our favorite tips and tricks for the Powerbeats Pro. Let us know down below in the comments if we missed one, or you can feel free to go ahead and shout at me at Twitter at Andrew_OSU. Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.